Hello, class. This is for the English 102 class. Today is the 15th of November. I'm just going to make this quick video to give you guys some announcements about assignments that are coming up, updates to your research paper projects and whatnot. This goes for everyone, both the Zoomers and the non-Zoomers. As you guys know, I've been posting the sessions from Zoom the past couple of weeks. I've given an overview of the research process, and last week I covered how to find some research. Here's what's coming up. So let me just quickly share the screen. Right now, under the research paper process folder, if you go here, you'll see the overview video from the Zoom a couple of weeks ago. The prompt for the research process. So everything that's coming up. I have here the Zoom class for the 10th, the first part of the Zoom class from the 10th, where we discuss the bibliographies, how to find sources. What you have coming up this week, you have to do an MLE citation activity. So basically, I have instructions here for how to do it. But basically here, you're going to have a list of scrambled citations. So I give you an entry. So something like a book article or a journal article. What you need to do is you need to go to the Purdue OWL and either under books or electronic sources, figure out the entry for each one. So for instance, if I ask you to cite a page from a website, there's an entry for that. Here's the pattern of the information that you have to cite. If you need to cite an article from an online database, here's the information you need on how to cite that. So basically, you just find the correct pattern, put the info in the right order. So take this sheet, write out your answers on the discussion board here. So you're going to get 10 points just for doing it. I am going to ask that you complete it before the 19th, because on the 20th at midnight, the key to this will go live. I should probably go ahead and fill that out, but the key will go live on the 20th. So you want to make sure that you have it done at that point. It'll go live at 12 o'clock a.m. So you'll get full credit just for taking a stab. The idea here is that, to learn how to cite sources correctly, you need to do it by experience. You never, ever want to cite sources on a citation generator. Most of the time, they'll mess you up. So do this activity, you'll get an early week discussion post credit just for doing it. The other thing that we have coming up is an early topic proposal. So before your formal proposal is due after Thanksgiving break, remember that will be due very soon after Thanksgiving break. Before that is due, I'm going to give you a chance to pitch an early proposal to me. So again, by the 19th, if you guys can do that, just in a couple, maybe a paragraph or two, pitch what it is that you think you want to write about. If you want to do that here, please do so, and I'll give you some early feedback. And that'll count towards your main week post this week. So this isn't binding. This isn't going to be what you get stuck writing. It's a proposal before the proposal, if that makes sense. The last thing that I have here, I've done the liberty of compiling together some of the research that I have on most of these texts. There's a lot of stuff here on Frankenstein and Dracula that I've uploaded. So you can check out some of those. I have a lot of stuff on Dracula. I even have quite a few things on Hill House. So I know that at Southern's databases aren't the best when it comes to finding articles. I don't have anything on Poe yet. I'm working on that. I know Southern's databases aren't the best, so I've compiled together a list of everything that I have. You can even read some of my own writing here if you choose. Chapters 1 and 2 of my doctoral dissertation focused on Poe, Hawthorne, Charlotte Perkins Gilman. So I've uploaded a library of materials here for you. So this should help you get started on your research, along with whatever research you might have found so far. So that is uploaded too. So that's it. That's my updates. Please get those two assignments in by the end of the week. This week's Zoom session, I'm going to focus on how to write bibliographies and proposals, which will we do after break. So I will get that Zoom session up as soon as it's done. So until then, guys, take care.